Unleash your vehicle's potential with the Edge Products CTS3 84130-3. Tired of guessing your engine's performance? Upgrade your 1996 and newer vehicle with the Edge Products CTS3 84130-3 Touch Screen OBD2 Monitor Gauge Scanner and EGT Probe Pyrometer Kit. This complete kit gives you real-time data at your fingertips, letting you monitor vital engine parameters including exhaust gas temperature, EGT. This isn't just a gauge. It's a powerful diagnostic tool. The easy-to-read touchscreen provides crucial information, allowing for proactive maintenance and optimized performance. The included EGT probe gives you precise temperature readings, preventing costly damage from overheating. The Edge CTS3 84130-3 seamlessly integrates with your vehicle's OBD2 port for a quick and easy installation. Don't just drive, command your vehicle's performance. Click here to learn more and order yours today. Link to product